Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the EasyAcc G1 headset. Starting with a look around the box, you can see that there is some information listed on the front, back and side of the box, showcasing the features that this has. The headset does feature a vibration motor which vibrates when bass is present. This is actually a very nice addition, as some people will primarily buy it for this feature and others will not be disappointed with its performance. It is pretty cool to have inside your headphones and will amaze some people by how it works. These headphones feature 40mm drivers, a frequency response of 20Hz to 20kHz, a cable length of 2 meters which is USB, 30 ohms of impedance and a control unit which is of good quality plastic. This also has a few switches and a volume ring. Taking the headphones out of the box, you will find the headset on top, and underneath you will find the manual, a DVD disc and a feedback card. The feedback card is commonly found in EasyAcc products and is nice to be included. The manual gives the same specifications found outside of the box and also how to use the control unit and what the toggles actually do. The DVD disc includes the drivers for the 7.1 surround, but keep in mind that it is virtual. I myself prefer to use the headset without these drivers. Taking the headphones out of the casing, you will find that the USB cable is braided and is of very good quality. The control unit also has the logo printed, and the volume ring itself is very satisfying to use. The switches on the side toggle the microphone and the vibration motor. These can be turned on or off as you please. The headphones themselves feature a microphone which does collapse downwards with a swivel mechanism. This is actually pretty good, although I did find that my unit actually has points where it is more difficult to collapse than others. The ear cups are nice and soft, and inside you will find the drivers covered in mesh which is also very comfortable. The headband is also very comfortable and has the company logo printed as well. This retracts inwards and outwards according to the size of your head. There is also a plastic part which is pretty sturdy and does hold up well to drops. The cable is also protected with a little rubber ring, which is common on most headsets. Here is a sound test of the headset itself, and keep in mind that the vibration motor is being toggled on and off randomly. Okay, so this is a microphone test of the EasyAcc G1 headphones, and I am using Audacity to record this, and it is at a recording volume of 0.72, so it's actually pretty high up, but it does sound pretty okay for the value. Okay, so this is the same microphone test, but the input gain is set at 1 on Audacity, and it actually sounds pretty good for the price. Now keep in mind that this is not edited, and this is the background noise that is produced when I'm staying quiet. It does produce a bit of background noise at the input gain of 1, but it sounds okay overall. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.